welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is RP. Now, today I'm going to be talking about an incident that took place live and in living colours. When I say live, I mean actual live, social media live. See, police were carrying out a search on our premises. Kerry, being the trained agent she is, immediately jump on live. Start make up nice. Start, throw the jabs. Start trying to throw off the police. It's just natural to say, if you do any job, even if you try to cook, if somebody have a camera in your face and them just throw random verbal jabs at you, right, you might throw in a little more salt or throw in a little less salt. It go throw you off your game. Right? It's a diversionary tactic. And if a wanted man at the house, right, it guarantees you, right, nothing going to happen to him. These kerosenes are very well trained. But this time it backfire. Because in the process of videoing, right, and I try to throw off the police, right, I try to play the victim card already, because if you really want to melt up society heart and get people in them feelings, right, you really need a woman, right, to start the cowballing and the crocodile tears. Right. So then they did a search, and guess what them find now on lunch pan live. On the live. See it up on your screen? It's a Smith & Wesson in a lunch bag. Picnic lunch bag. That's your favorite kerosene. That's your favorite PR agent. This was the moment, right? This is the audio recording of the moment, right? Police them find the gun in the bag right in front of the kerosene. Listen up.
Make sure you video.
Wow.
Video this. Video.
Video?
Yeah man, make sure you video.
How the blood clot this?
No man, video it man, no.
Make sure you video.
You video it?
Start it.
No start the live, no? Don't start the live.
Okay, live still. Don't stop it. You still have go through.
Don't stop the live, no?
Everything. Make sure you live have video.
When you hear a carry ball out like say I wash on clothes and find some money in your pocket. Carry ball out like say is a genie in a buckle. Right, or a genie in a lunch bag, like the police rub the side of the lunch bag and the gun drop in it. Kerry end up sink herself with her own evidence. Kerry in the process, right, of trying to distract, right, trying to shame, trying to drum up online support, and because what she want to happen is that the police them just alright, they can, alright, camera in her face and knives and make and alright, they could just cut the shot. Policeman them standing going and dig like them operate on intel. Like they actually had solid intel. So the night she make man them still a search. Them find it now one lunch bag. Picnic lunch bag. See where them put it? Because you're going to see one lunch. If you dig the one house, you're going to probably looking at the drawer and under the bed and in place there. You might see one little SpongeBob and one little cartoon character lunch bag down and overlook it. But that's right there. I don't know if people remember a video I did on how Klansmen move weapons through Spanish Town. Even when police out there, even when the bus park full, all them can move around. One of the people them use is schoolers. Put gun in a school picnic bag. So picnic I walk up and down in a school uniform, and them lunch pan, them school bag might have a Matic in it. But the image of a picnic, I walk down the road with one lunch bag, and let's say police was to stop and quote unquote pressure and just start dig up on picnic and somebody recorded, the optics would look really bad for the JCF. See, this is done on purpose, then put it in some place where it make police hesitant, because let's be honest, you're hesitant to dig up picnic. You're hesitant to dig up one woman in her handbag. And the same Jamaicans them who claim say police need to do more. Right? Police need to stop think outside of the box. Alright? When them think outside of the box and say, well, you know what, since we dig up the man, we don't find out now, we know so be a gun there. Maybe I the woman the man and pick them out then. When police actually do that, people then jump up. Look what them do. Look what them do. Look what. Pay nice. agents them come out, your favorite celebrities start repost. Look what man do the woman like so woman can commit crime. Like we don't know say Kerosene play a major role. Right. Kerosene a big time gunbag at Jamaica. And them all that on them pitney now in a gunbag. But the Kerosene, the quasi Kerosene, the fake activists, the favorite celebs, in an effort to shame the security forces into not doing them job. Right. They will twist one narrative and make it look like say a group of police officers wake up out of them bed one night, right, late in the night, early morning, and say, you know what, I could just go and they got to pick the lunch money because we don't have nothing to do. And guess what? Sometimes you don't find nothing and sometimes you find something. But the searching still have to go on. But you see, by the time the Kerosenes, quasi-Kerosenes, activists and Sims get involved, right, all of a sudden the narrative twists up. Right, and then, right, you see, police have to explain why they do them job. Let me tell you something, people at Jamaica. Tell them I notice what's not found. When you now go through LAX, when you now go through Miami Airport, when you now go through JFK, when you now go through Heathrow and Gatwick, when you now go through Toronto, right, down to the baby on the breast them search. And you don't have no problem with that because you want to go foreign. When you pick them and go foreign, them dig them up and x-ray them same way. Pitney not immune to search when them go through airport. Uncle Sam say, well, he's only 7 years old, so nobody scan the bagger, nobody looking at the bagger. Right, just make them go a Pitney, nothing no go so. But we don't have nothing to say at the airport. Right. We don't have nothing to say when we stand in front of the mighty Uncle Sam. We don't have nothing to say when we stand in front of the Queen's agents them, like the Queen's workers them. We don't have nothing to say when time we're in front of the Canadian patrol, whatever them want name. Now nothing to say because you want to go foreign. So you'd make your 1 year old get searched and nothing to say, you just understand. Well, you know, as part of the process, you know, they have to search because, you know, there's a risk. There's a risk that somebody could go on the plane and, you know, we don't want to have any issues and we don't want, you accept that because you want the plane to reach safe. So you, if you even see somebody in the people that get searched, you say, why am I searching up in there? Because we have to be careful, you know. The same thing applies to badness. 99.999% of the people them search at airport now have nothing in them bag. The parents are putting none in the bag. But guess what? The few incidents can be different between life and death. But only now have nothing to say. Only just accept. Say, well, them do them job. Homeland Security just do them job. This is, they have to, you know, I can't say nothing because I didn't work them I do. So I don't work police are doing them a searching. Oh, that different because we don't have strength to Jamaican authorities. Jamaicans only unruly and bad in front of Jamaican authorities. When them stand up in front of the Chinese man, if they go China and China say turn up on one of your foot, use the next foot, right? Put your next foot behind your back and use your hand and hold it, then use your left hand and hold on by your ears, then you do it. Them say that again. I hit the dislike button by the way, because I want to beg for nowhere. So. If Jamaicans are go to China, or Jamaicans are go in a serious country, no Russia or nowhere like that, right. Or even Uncle Sam place, they might go look work or something. And them say, before you come here, so, right, stand up right on the spot there, right. Balance on your left foot, put your right foot, right, behind you. Use your right hand hold it, then use your left hand, hold on your ears, and hop. Then you do it. But when police give them basic instructions, them turn, right, in a Xena warrior princess. Right. Them jump on them live and them record and all of a sudden, them militant. Then the militant in front of the white man, the Chinese man, Jew, the Indian man, no. But make a Jamaican authority try to tell them say, and we talk about legal, we talk about actual legal requests now, we not talk about nothing spooky or shaky, we talk about, ma'am, can you please do this? Then turn in a Xena warrior princess. Them find strength you never know them have. They will not go on live, go record no gunman on no apps. Right. They will not take no pit, they not see nothing, they not hear nothing. Right. Just like your favorite celebs them, they will not go after and call out no gunman, nothing like that. But when it comes time to tackle the police, even when the police not the right, because obviously when police not the wrong, them get called out. But even when police not the right, them still not the wrong. Remember, Jamaica is a place where if police are patrolling them see a youth, and as the youth spot the police, him take off and go through one yard. People expect them to just leave him alone. Don't chase him, right? Whether you spot him as wanted man or not, don't run through the yard. They left him alone, because if you run through the yard, then go up and live. What am I doing at my yard? What? So the alternative is just leave him alone. So let's say a scenario happen then. Right? Look at this scenario. Police spot a man spot the police. Man run going in one yard. The police don't know who for yard him are going in. It could be female yard. But the fact is, him take away himself. Right? But the police must just leave him alone. Right? Alright, now let's say turn out a female thing going on, like in a Sergeant Pampus case. Alright? But what happen if a Miss Hendricks yard in going on? What happen if a Miss Smith or Miss Campbell yard him going on? Who don't know him? And now him gonna pull them yard, right? Gonna stick them up, force them to hide him, but then the police never give chase. Police says, well, him going on one yard, I wanna quote unquote on the right for going there, so I could just turn back here, man. And then the news broke say, well, man run going on woman yard, go take shelter, and police will send back and leave him. What would the Jamaican people say? What would the Jamaican people say? That's right, the uproar. But if them going at the yard, the uproar too. Because the Jamaican people expect police for those no say, that man there who take off when him see them, either live there or don't live there, wanted or not wanted. Them people just know that. Them people just send out them psychic powers and go, oh, well, oh no man, him live down the road. Him never here, so him not wanted, him just afraid. Police just know that. They not run down the body. Right? They not for those. So people at Jamaica, if police are chasing a gunman, right, and he run coming in your yard, and the police don't go in there, nobody say nothing. Because we are starting to see the trend now. People realize they can get woke points now. Some on social media. Police say, run down man in the yard and nobody not live there. Gunman not have to live there. Suppose he might run through your yard. And either way, the police don't know that. Then they know if he live there, they don't know if he might run through there. Right? Which part you ever seen an Uncle Sam place? Man can give chase and go anywhere and Uncle Sam not chase him. Uncle Sam go for all him helicopter. And father you can jump fence, you know them police chase videos there. You see one man a jump about 10 fence through 10 yard and the police a jump the same 10 fence in back of him. If that was Jamaica, that's the man gone on their life. Gone on social media. Would they have some, would they see them come in, I don't know when they run through me yard for, I don't know what am I doing because nobody don't live here. People get the society they deserve. If Jamaicans could build a nation, it would build already. Because big people must have enough sense, we can separate right things and put things in a context. A police team who just walk in a yard for no reason. It's completely different from a police team who are running a man or say, no, say, we see that brother here outside and when him spot we, him take the car and run through the yard so we want to see who him. That's a complete different scenario. Not because it's the same end result of policeman being on your property, that means it's the same thing. It's a false equivalency. Things have been a context. Police just walk, come in the yard, yo, welcome, just enter. What are you doing here? Right. Or we just feel if you come in the yard, where you depend. That's a complete different thing. Right. From having a youth take away himself and cut through one yard and then them go back on him. That's a complete different thing. I don't know which law-abiding citizen I got here say criminal or even man where the police don't know at the time cut through them yard, police follow them, right, and them got a problem. Once me come out and ask the police them what's the situation, you know, and them tell me say, well, Sir P, we see a man at your gate or we see a man on the road and when time we approach him run off and take through the yard here. Right. Me I say, well, me'd help you look for him. Me man run through my yard, me'd help you look for him. Right? Come in every corner in my yard, so the man is supposed to take through. And even for example in a Sergeant Pampos case. Right? Go out there, big old boy, see police and take away himself. Right? Step back in the yard. That is a suspicious move. Me ask the policeman, officer, what's the problem? We see him and as him still take back himself. The next person me I turn to, right, a junior Pampos. What kind of action is that? Why did that? Right. You're there yard gate and on a reason for be. Right, suspicious. Why take back yourself in the yard for? Right. That is a move that arise suspicion. So when you come to the yard, I say, well, officer, I'm a son that him live, so me just nervous. He done this so. This whole heap jump up, frightened Friday. Come out of my place, come out from property, come out from property. While the cameras are running. Because I train and I try train. I try train for being a fake rebel. So other people can go, yeah man, I saw it for come on, stand up, your rights. I know what's the funny thing, when Jamaicans actually stand up for them rights, them not do it. Right? Them fight against the things them, right, where and nothing to fight against. Them fight against the things them where any rational person can see, so alright, well this makes sense, me understand why this happened. That they fight against them, but when they actually stand up for their rights, they not nothing to say. So before we end the video, let me just say this. The story of the boy with cry wolf is now applying to Jamaicans. So many kerosenes and agents are cry wolf, right, for legitimate police operations. That's if something happens tomorrow and it's really a case of police wrongdoing, people are going to kiss them teeth and say, well, I'll be a lie them tell anyway, so why would I believe them this time? Kerosenes always I make up things and I tell lie and I try, so why would I take them serious this time? That's what's happening. Kerosene will cry wolf. So them end up or hurt them own a cause. Because right now the people must say, guess what, we don't believe you, we just get you up on live. It'll cause the most fuss. So you don't know what police are doing, you know what police are search for, and the man them finally going pan live in a picnic lunch bag. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.